Want to speed up your language learning? Get access to all of our best PDF cheat sheets for free. Just click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account right now.
Hold on.
等等，等等，
Could I have your attention, please?
請留意，謝謝。請留意，謝謝。
Who is it?
是誰？是誰？
Where do you work?
你喺邊度返工？你喺邊度返工？
Where are you?
你在哪裏？你在哪裏？
Where is the bathroom?
廁所在哪裏？廁所在哪裏？
How many people are there in your family?
你屋企有幾多人？你屋企有幾多人？
What did you say?
你講乜嘢？你講乜嘢？
May I sit here?
我可以坐在這裏嗎？我可以坐在這裏嗎？
I live in Los Angeles.
我住在洛杉磯。我住在洛杉磯。
My vacation starts in 2 weeks.
我的假期於2個星期後開始。我的假期於2個星期後開始。
It takes about 30 minutes by train.
大約需要30分鐘火車車程。大約需要30分鐘火車車程。
I want a bottle of water.
我想要一樽水。我想要一樽水。
Ready to start?
準備好了嗎？準備好了嗎？
Can you come back later?
你可以稍後回來嗎？你可以稍後回來嗎？
Sorry, we're completely booked.
很抱歉，我們已經滿了。很抱歉，我們已經滿了。
We'll give you a call.
我們會打電話給你。我們會打電話給你。
I'll leave it up to you.
隨得你。隨得你。
Is the water too cold?
水是否太凍？水是否太凍？
Is this your first time with us?
這是你第一次來我們這裏嗎？這是你第一次來我們這裏嗎？
It takes 3 to 5 business days.
這需要3至5個工作日。這需要3至5個工作日。
Could I have a statement, please?
請給我一張單據。請給我一張單據。
What's this?
呢個係咩？呢個係咩？
I'd like to open an account.
我想開一個戶口。我想開一個戶口。
Can I have a receipt, please?
可以給我一張收條嗎？可以給我一張收條嗎？
Can I have a bag, please?
可以給我一個袋嗎？可以給我一個袋嗎？
I'll take one of this.
我要一個。我要一個。
What's that?
那是什麼？那是什麼？
Are there any annual charges with this account?
這戶口有年費嗎？這戶口有年費嗎？
Go back.
退回，退回。
I'd like to exchange money.
我想換錢，我想換錢。
I'd like to make a withdrawal.
我想提款，我想提款。
I'd like to make a deposit.
我想存款，我想存款。
Sign here, please.
請在這裡簽名，請在這裡簽名。
This weekend I'm going to the movies.
今個週末我去看電影。今個週末我去看電影。
What are you doing this weekend?
你今個週末會做什麼？你今個週末會做什麼？
I'll have time next week.
我下星期會有時間。我下星期會有時間。
I'm busy this week.
今個星期我很忙。今個星期我很忙。
I have no money.
我沒有錢。我沒有錢。
Leave me alone.
請讓我單獨一會兒。請讓我單獨一會兒。
I want to go here.
我想去這裡。我想去這裡。
I'm looking for this place.
我正在找這地方。我正在找這地方。
What did they look like?
他們樣子如何？他們樣子如何？
She was wearing a red shirt and jeans.
她穿着一件紅色上衣和牛仔褲。她穿着一件紅色上衣和牛仔褲。
This area is dangerous.
這裡很危險。這裡很危險。
It's across the street from a library.
它在圖書館的對面。它在圖書館的對面。
Do you speak English?
你識講英文嗎？你識講英文嗎？
Can I make a call?
我可以打個電話嗎？我可以打個電話嗎？
How can we fix this?
我們如何解決這問題？我們如何解決這問題？
Want to speak real Cantonese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at CantoneseClass101.com. I'm sorry.
對不起，對不起。
Don't worry.
別擔心，別擔心。
It's okay.
好的，好的。
Please?
請，請。
Please forgive me.
請原諒，請原諒。
I really appreciate it.
十分感激，十分感激。
Thank you.
多謝，多謝。
You're welcome.
不用客氣，不用客氣。
Make yourself at home.
字典，字典。
Hello.
你好，你好。
Good morning.
早晨，早晨。
Goodbye.
再見，再見。
Long time no see.
好久不見，好久不見。
Good evening.
晚安，晚安。
Sorry to keep you waiting.
抱歉讓你久等了，抱歉讓你久等了。
Wait a moment.
請等一下，請等一下。
Hello?
喂？喂？
Awesome.
好極了，好極了。
Delicious.
很好吃，很好吃。
I like it.
我喜歡，我喜歡。
I don't like it.
我不喜歡，我不喜歡。
How are you?
你好嗎？你好嗎？
Nice to meet you.
很高興認識你，很高興認識你。
Really?
真的嗎？真的嗎？
What time is it?
幾點鐘？幾點鐘？
I don't understand.
我不明白，我不明白。
Once again, please.
請再說一次，請再說一次。
Slower, please.
請說慢一點，請說慢一點。
It's difficult.
這很困難，這很困難。
Good afternoon.
午安，午安。
Good night.
晚安，晚安。
How have you been?
你最近好嗎？你最近好嗎？
This is for you.
這個給你，這個給你。
I'm good.
我很好，我很好。
How old are you?
你幾大？你幾大？
What is it?
這是什麼？這是什麼？
What's your phone number?
你的電話號碼是什麼？你的電話號碼是什麼？
Where are you from?
你從哪裏來？你從哪裏來？
Where do you live?
你住喺邊？你住喺邊？
Help.
救命！救命！
And you?
你呢？你呢？
Excuse me.
不好意思，不好意思。
I'm fine.
我很好。我很好。
Bye bye.
再見。再見。
Thank you very much.
非常感謝。非常感謝。
I forgive you.
我原諒你。我原諒你。
Never mind.
沒關係。沒關係。
I'm afraid I can't make it.
恐怕我不能做到。恐怕我不能做到。
It's true.
這是真的。這是真的。
When is your birthday?
你幾時生日？你幾時生日？
Stop here, please.
請在這裏停下。請在這裏停下。
Great work! Here's a reward. Speed up your language learning with our PDF lessons. Get all of our best PDF cheat sheets and ebooks for free. Just click the link in the description.